Hello Bayang Karirista, this is your Lucky Leah Forbes para po sa ating Silver Bullet Production at ngayon, isang napakagandang lineup ang inihahatid po sa atin ngayon ng Manila Horsepower para sa kanilang 17th anniversary. Kasama po natin ang kanilang grupo, masaya at magkakaroon kaya ng dihado as always. Tingnan natin yan. Bayang Karirista, muli po kami nagbabalik. Ngayon, makakasama po natin ating former President and now Director ng ating Manila Horsepower, none other than Mr. Celso Opaco. Sir, good day! And I'm so happy to see you again here po.
Same here, same here.
You know, Bayang Karirista, it's always been a happy gathering kapag po Manila Horsepower kasi very supported po yung ating mga members dito, yung ating buong second floor dito sa turf. And napakasigla ng feeling kasi nandito lahat masaya and you know, after pandemic, parang it's nice to see them all. Nagsimula to last year, if I'm not mistaken, nagkita-kita ulit. And sir, dito po sa ating Manila Horsepower, yung inyo pong mga nilatag na lineup, makapal, maganda, as always exciting. So, what can you say about dito po sa inyong 7th staging na Manila Horsepower Dream Race?
First of all, congratulations to the people behind Manila Horsepower. And it is now our 17th year. Maraming salamat po sa suporta ng Philippine Racing Commission at sa lahat ng mga our sponsors. Napakarami. Pababanggitin ko, naririyan lagi si James Rabano, si Sir Nap Magno, si Sardo Sevilla, Joseph Dihenco, Governor Javier, at marami pang iba na sumusuporta lagi sa mga adhikain ng Manila Horsepower. Ito pong mga pakarera namin, since we started, ay dedicated to the unsung heroes of the horse racing industry, primarily the grooms and the other people behind what makes our horse racing industry successful as it is today. So, thank you lahat sa mga nandito, sa lahat ng suporta. Maraming po salamat.
Yeah, and thank you so much po para dito sa inyo pong mga tulong sa ating mga unsung heroes. As we all know, kasi lagi natin nakikita sa ating mga karera, ating mga jockeys, hindi mawawala, yung mga idol ng jockeys, idol ng trainers. Of course, kasama rin po dito yung ating mga grooms at dito po binibigyan ng emphasis ng Manila Horsepower ang pagtulong sa kanila.
Yes.
Ano po bang makukuha ng ating mga grooms dito po sa inyong mga pakarera? Marami kayo usually binibigyan.
Marami. Abangan nyo na lang dyan. Meron dyan bigas, meron dyan pera, meron dyan of course. Napaka-importante is the recognition.
Yes.
The recognition for the effort of these people. Kasi it's not every day that they are properly recognized. So that is what is most important, aside from the material things.
Yes. And it can boost their morale. You know po,
Exactly.
iba po yung dating na, yung fulfillment na, wow, nare-recognize kami, nakikilala kami.
That's true.
So thank you so much for expounding that and thank you so much Bayang Karirista for supporting Manila Horsepower. Ito po, lagi naman sila nagbibigay ng magandang lineup and hopefully, makakuha kayo ng mga magagandang panalo from the dihados. Kasi minsan, pagka ganito, nagkakaroon po tayo ng mga double carry-over, mga carry-overs. So what do you think of what will happen later on?
Since the very start, Manila Horsepower Racing Festival is it well-known or notorious?
Notorious for
Notorious.
carry-overs.
Carry-over, laging dihado. So nag-aasam ng mga tatayan, Sumunod na lang kayo sa Agos. Laging dihado pag pag Manila Horsepower Races.
Okay, so
Okay.
yun naman po ang essence ng magandang karera.
Yeah.
Ang makakuha ng mga magagandang panalo from our dihados. And good
Yeah.
luck sa inyo, Bayang Karerista. Sir, meron pa po ba kayong nais sa pasalamatan? Message po sa lahat ng ating mga manonood.
Bayang Karerista, marami pong salamat. Kung wala kayong suporta, wala rin kami dito. Enjoy the races. Marami pong salamat.
And of course, I would like to add lang, just in case, no, open po ba kayo sa mga gusto maging member ng inyong grupo?
Everybody's welcome.
Yes. Sumapi po kayo sa Manila Horsepower. They're all very nice people. At the same time, they're all happy. So, pag kayo po kasama dito sa kanilang party o kahit gatherings, you'll feel that you're one of them. They're very friendly, so hindi kayo ma-out of place, kumbaga. So, may enjoy niyo yung karera. May enjoy niyo yung karera, may enjoy niyo pa yung company ng ating mga kaibigan. So, thank you so much,
Thank you,
sir.
Leia. Thank you.
Okay?
Since last day panel working on Manila Horsepower Section Race Division 1 Secretary Student, all that is only Manila Jaguar third, and for the Latope, Hakim in the middle, Marang May Marafos, and training the group is easy, that's it. Into the turn we go. Zach Ratari, go here, by about 2 lanes, that is second still is Tulen Ola. 3 lanes for the third is Jaguar, Lee Malacos is fourth, and with Latope, Hakim, and Easy, that's it. Is still running up the tail of the field. Inside the half mile, LXL, Zach Ratari goes on by about 2.5 lengths. It's Tulen Ola now trying to get closer in second. Jaguar now in third position. Meanwhile, for Zakim, Bagdal is Latope, and Easy does it. It's Zach Ratari, it's Tulen Ola, firing out for the leader. Jaguar now coming closer on the outside third. It's Tulen Ola, Zach Ratari moving up now on the outside. It's a Jaguar. It's Tulen Ola, Jaguar now on the outside to take the leader. It's now Jaguar. It's Tulen Ola, the secretary. Mimbal Falls now coming closer in third position as the field turns for Roma with Jaguar by about 2.5 lengths. Mimbal Falls is running by the secretary. Is Tulen Ola. And down to the finish, there is still Jaguar racing away now by about 5 lengths. Entering the finish line is all over for Jaguar. Second is Tulen Ola, Easy does it, Mimbalo. We have Mali Bumel as the beginning down inside is Happy Julian, then moving up down on the outside is Celebrity. Into the turn they go. Now we have Mali Bumel running here by about 2 lengths. Happy Julian in second, then in third. And in fourth, Chef Cut Magical 7 Pit. And in sixth position, Sweet City alongside Metal Strength Manila Boy. You Never Know, Celebrity on the outside, and followed over on the outside by I Love Money, yes, El Malibu Bell by a mountain of lengths. Then, now to take second alongside third, Magical's up. And in fourth position is Happy Julian, moving up a Chef Cut. Manila Boy also moving up on the outside. Malibu Bell, then now on the outside, Magical Sapa. Manila Boy in fourth position. And that's Malibu Bell, then Magical Sapa on the outside. Manila Boy now coming closer in fourth position. And that's Malibu Bell, Magical Sapa, then Manila Boy now coming up on the outside. It's now Magical Sap, Malibu Bell, Manila Boy. Taurins now is Metal Strength as the field turns for Roma. Magical Sap, Manila Boy now on the outside to take the lead. Now we have Manila Boy by about 2 lengths. I Love Money in second. Taurins and is a Metal Strength. Entering the finish line, it's Manila Boy, second. Close, I Love Money, Metal Strength, and comes Celebrity, Rahabaku.
Prime Pactors, Rose for the leader, one of the leaders, Daddy Verna, Radio outside Speed Fantasy, down followed by Pale Special and Platinum Frolica. And on stage one, something follows, it's Steel. Daddy Bird leads by Alpha and being changed by Speed Fantasy and running in third Prime Factor. To learn for the back is Pale Special Royal Platinum Frolica. He's running on the tail of the field, heading towards the back now is Steel. Daddy Bird leads by some 2.5 lengths. Is Daddy Bird leads by some 2.5 lengths, running 7 Speed Fantasy, and then followed by Prime Factor. 3 lengths for the back to Pale Special. Then came Platinum Frolic. Halfway down the trouble now, Daddy Bird lead 3 lengths leader, followed by Speed Fantasy and Prime Factor. But it's still Daddy Bird leads by some 2.5 lengths. Here comes Prime Factor, and running in third is Speed Fantasy, then 4 lengths for the back now. Pale Special while Platinum Frolic is running in the tail of the field. And as they race the last 600, it's still Daddy Bird. Daddy Bird hanging on in 2 lengths leader, followed by Prime Factor and Speed Fantasy from the outside. That is still Daddy Bird leads by some 2 lengths, followed by Prime Factor and Speed Fantasy once again. In 400 to go, Daddy Bird hanging on in the lane leader, and here comes Speed Fantasy now for the outside. Prime Factor and for the turn now, Daddy Bird. Speed Fantasy now has taken the leader. Is Speed Fantasy and Daddy Bird down for the inside. Prime Factor, but it's still Speed Fantasy leads by some 5 now. It's still Speed Fantasy, Daddy Bird and Prime Factor, and at the line is going and upset by Speed Fantasy. Second, Prime Factor, Daddy Bird, Platinum Frolic, Pale Special.
Bayang Karirista, speaking of Dihado, kanina pinag-uusapan lamang natin na kapag Manila Horsepower, may mga carryover. At dito pa po, mismo sa kanilang main race, naka-upset ang ating winner sa race number 5. We call it Manila Horsepower Imported Dream Stakes Race. At ang nanalo po dito, pangalawa sa pinakadihado. That's MT number 6 Speed Fantasy. Together with me, congratulations!
Thank
Our
you, thank you, thank you.
trainer Norman Cagatin.
Thank
So,
you.
anong nararamdaman mo? Nakadihado kayo.
Siyempre, natuwa. Talagang matuwa.
Oo.
Saka masayang-masaya siya.
Nakita natin na yung kanila pong pagkapanalo, malayo for 1,800. So, ano yung naging bilin mo dito sa naging hinete? Kasi may mga pagtitipid na kailangan gawin dito, 1,800. So, how do you prepare yung instructions para doon sa ating hinete?
Ang sinabi ko lang naman kay Pabli, yung larga lang talaga. Yun ang inaano ko sa kanya. Yung larga kasi may mga pagkakataon na nagpapaiwan talaga siya eh.
Okay.
Kung napapansin nyo sa mga huling ano niya, medyo alanganin yung ano niya eh. Ngayon, maganda yung naging ano niya,
Oo.
pwesto niya.
Kaya nga
Kaya
eh.
saktong-sakto.
Ay, pero aside from dun sa outstanding favorite na etong si Prime Factor, sino pa ba yung mga binantayan nyo? Kasi for sure, alam natin, Yamado, outstanding si Prime Factor, hindi lamang yun nababantayan nyo.
Si ano, yung Daily Burn. Kasi nga napakaganda nung ano niya, huling panalo niya. Impresibo talaga yung prueba. At saka nakita ko yung trangko niya, maganda din. Kaya kinukonsider ko siyang kalaman.
Okay. Well, dito, congratulations. Nakakita
thank
tayo
you.
ng upset. Ito, ang ganda pa ng pagkaka-upset nyo dito, ha? At alam niyo po ba, yung karerista, kapag ganito malalaking karera, dapat talaga pang-all. Lalo na pagka mga... Kaso, medyo lalaki ang puhunan natin kapag all. Dito na lamang po sa Aki Speed Fantasy, after winning this race, kailan ulit natin makikita, saan nyo pa balak ihanda? Kasi may mga susunod tayo, di
siguro
ba?
sa mga darating na ano. Sa ngayon,
Makikita ba
wala
natin sa
kasing
araw ng
ano eh. Hindi
Maynila?
pa natin alam yung eksaktong ano. Depende na magiging kondisyon niya. Pwede siya, tatakbo tayo.
Okay. But for now, let's congratulate. Meron ka bang message sa lahat ng inyong supporters, sa inyong stable at sa inyong connections?
Nagpapasalamat ako sa amo kong tunay, Boss Pao. At saka sa buong stable namin. Congratulations sa atin. Eto na yun, naantay natin.
Yes! Sila naman po ang mag-uuwi nitong kanilang tropeo. Dream race, ika nga. At talaga namang truly, para sa mga nakadehado, dream ang
Yeah,
pagkapanalo
dream
nito.
talaga, dream talaga.
So congratulations. Hopefully,
Thank you.
makakita tayo ng mga dehado na iyong inalagaan.
Sa.
That's our trainer, Mr. Norman Cagat. Bayan Karista, kasama po natin ngayon ang presidente ng Manila Horsepower para sa ginaganap po nilang anniversary, and they're on the 17th year. Congratulations!
Thank you, thank you.
TV Sebio.
Thank you.
Alam niyo naman po pagka ganitong magagandang pakarera, ang hindi po mawawala yung mga dehado. Ngayon pa lang may naka-one winner na for our winner take all, and may mga carryovers na po tayo.
Yeah.
So, what can you say muna po sa lahat ng ating mga bayang karerisang sumuporta dito sa inyong pakarera?
Well, unang-una, siyempre nagpapasalamat ako sa Philracom, sa Metro Turf, at sa lahat po ng sponsors natin at Bayang Karerista. Sana po ay in-enjoy nyo itong muling hinandog namin na racing festival para sa inyo talaga.
Alam niyo, marami po dito, no? Dahil sa ganda ng lineup at sa hirap nito, yung iba po nating mga kasama dito, parang pag tinatanong ko, nanalo na ba kayo? Ang hirap! Although we all know kayo po ang nag-prepare nito, you make sure na lahat po ay fair. So what can you say about that, sir?
Well, ano yun nasimula namin dati pa. And kung titignan nyo, parate, yun nga, kadalasan may carry-over, may solo winner. Kasi parang ito yung karera na pangmasa, yung lahat may pag-asa. So, nakakatuwa. Although, syempre, gusto natin lahat manalo, pero ganun talaga eh. Enjoy na lang natin yung, yung karera parati ng MHP.
And we would like to congratulate also, sir, yung inyo po mga tinutulong ngayon and laging naka-emphasis dito sa ating mga grooms for next year, surely, para sa kanila ulit po. Meron po ba kayong naisa lang pasalamatan na sa mga grupo po nakatulong nyo sa pagbuo nitong ating karera?
Actually, no, doon sa aspeto ng pagtutok namin dun sa SOTA, kasi alam niyo naman na halos lahat organized na, yung trainers, yung jockeys, and unfortunately, dun sa SOTA wala pa. Kaya naman kami, parang naging advocacy na namin yun na syempre they're also part of the industry. Can you imagine, alisin mo yung SOTA, sino mag-aalaga ng kabayo natin, di ba? Kaya nga, kanina, yung imported race natin, yung nag-first place doon, yung SOTA, nakuha niya is 50,000. Yung second, 30,000. And yung third, 20,000. Alam mo kasi, I'm also part of, yung halos lahat naman ng tri-org, lalo na kasi I'm a member of a Club Don Juan. Lahat sila, willing silang tumulong. Kaya lang din naman nagagawa namin to. And actually, aside from this, nagsiset kami ng isang kasiyahan. Nagkaroon kami ng bingo para sa lahat ng family ng SOTA. Tapos isang day yon na nagkaroon din sila ng karera. Kumbaga parang pinagtutuunan namin pansin yung ating mga, kumbaga ang SOTA kasi wala pa eh. And hopefully gusto namin tumulong dyan eventually yung magkaroon din sila ng organization.
Yes, so po, parang marinig din natin ang tinig ng ating mga unsung heroes na talaga namang number one na kailangan pagdating po sa pag-aalaga ng ating mga racing horses. Now, meron na po isang tanong. Alam niyo naman po, dumadami ang inyong mga miyembro. Sa lahat po ng ating mga kaibigan na nanonood dito, open po ba kayo na tumanggap na paano po maging miyembro ng Manila Horsepower?
Of course, our group, alam mo yun, ito open to sa lahat. Meron kaming sa Facebook page, malaman lang namin, dedicated to talaga para sa yung bayang karerista. Mas marami tayo, mas maigi.
Yes.
Welcome lahat. Actually, kanina nga, can you imagine, natawa ako, si Boss Willie Afan. Sinabi niya, pare, magme-member ako sa inyo. Siyempre, natutuwa ako, at least somehow na natutuwa din sila doon sa tinatakbo ng racing festival natin.
So ayan po bayang karerista, if you want to join the group of Manila Horsepower, open po ito. Kaya i-follow niyo po ang kanilang page. Nakalagay naman Manila Horsepower. In any time, in any day, kung gusto niyo pong makakuha ng mga bagong kaibigan, dito po sa grupo nila. Very happy, very jolly. At itong karera nila hanggang ngayon hindi ko alam. Maski na ako nanghihina. Nanalo na po ba kayo?
Hindi pa. Pero may chamba pa life. And nga pala, always tinitignan lang natin ganyan, di ba? Parati kasama natin, sina Lucky Lea, yung Silver Productions, Silver Bullet Productions, Boss James Rabano, maraming salamat.
Thank you so much and congratulations! At sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng Manila Horsepower at kanilang mga miyembro, supportan po natin sila bayang karerista. If you want to join, welcome po kayo sa kanila. So follow also their page, Manila Horsepower. Sir, thank you so much.
Thank you.
would like to congratulate everyone. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Ganoon na rin po sana ay kayo ay nag-enjoy. We would like to congratulate ang pamunuan po ng Manila Horsepower spearheaded by Cons Ferdy Eusebio at napakarami nga po dito ng grupo nila na kasama natin. So, let's congratulate din ang ating mga unsung heroes dahil ang kanila pong mga pakarera ay handog natin sa ating mga groom at mga helpers. Saludo po kami sa inyong lahat. We would like to congratulate as well ang ating pong upset kanina. Walang iba, kundi ang kabayo po ni Mr. Paulo de Villa Mendoza, ni ihanda naman po ni Mr. Norman Cagatin, that's Speed Fantasy. Congratulations. Now, Bayang Karerista, let's all watch ang ating mga susunod na vlog dahil this time, mapapanood na po natin muli ang ating mga champion horses na magbabakbakan para sa ating second leg ng Triple Crown Stakes Race. Kasama na rin po dyan ang ating hopeful at na ating pong 3-year-old locally bred para po sa ating mga susunod na karera. So, kami po ang New Silver Bullet Production. Don't forget to like, hit, share, and subscribe.